Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So I'm going to use some Kerrygold today. Going to have a couple of eggs. Got some leftover gammon which I cooked on Sunday. So I'm going to fry a bit of that, in a bit of that, a couple of them, eggs and gammon in a panini. Nice and simple, nice and quick, nice and easy. I've also got a bit of this, which I've not tried before, teriyaki maybe, probably mispronounced there. Some ingredients. So right, let's get it in the pan. Probably doesn't need any oil, but it all helps, doesn't it? Especially when cooking the eggs. Oh, I thought there was more gammon than that, but well, definitely not like tongs of dough, are they? Oh, can't pick nothing up there. Right. There we go. A bit closer. I'm going to get a couple of eggs in there. Oh, different colours. Lovely. Right, looks nice, eh? Get a few chili powders on there. Chili powder? Chili flakes on there. Some chili flakes on there. Nice bit of spice on there. And this teriyaki. From the bottle, more intense flavour, marinate overnight. So you must be able to use it for cooking. We'll give it a try, eh? That's what I need, is one of them. Oh, that smells completely different now, that does. There we go, a bit more of that. I'll get that on there as well. Can't say I've ever tried it before, so be interesting to see what the flavours are like. Picked it up yesterday when I was in the Marks and Spencer's. Quite running. I'll just my little there you go, put them about there with that. Right. Cool, that looks different, doesn't it? I need to get that moving. Right, see if we can get this dished up. Right. There's my gammon, and as for my eggs, I'm just going to pour them on there, I think, see if that works. It probably won't, I'm looking at that. Do you want to know how runny the eggs are? One's a little bit past, and this one's just right. So yeah, just using up a bit of leftovers, obviously with the gammon. The sauce again, it was a couple of pounds from M&S I got yesterday. Sweet and delicious. Says you can use it for marinating. So we can get that a bit more in shot. There we go. Definitely uplifted the gammon, gave it a nice bit of kick, and it was sweet as well. See you later everyone, enjoy your day, bye bye.